When your gear gets snagged, ripped, or punctured, Tenacious Tape Repair Tape makes it easy to patch it up and keep going. These peel and stick strips of 3x20 inch repair tape instantly fix just about anything you take outside, like tents, tarps, sleeping pads, backpacks, and jackets. Tenacious Tape bonds to technical fabrics like nylon and polyester with a strong adhesive that stays put through wear, tear, and weather. Just clean the surface, cut to size and round the corners, peel the backing, and press it on. That's it. No heat, no sewing, no nonsense. Once applied, it moves with your gear and won't peel off, even after you wash it. Available in various colors to fit your style or blend seamlessly with your gear, Tenacious Tape Repair Tape sticks with you. Discover the full Tenacious Tape lineup online or at an outdoor retailer near you.